There's an enormous amount of credit just waiting for you to claim it. Creditors are eager to hand out high-limit credit lines. Banks are desperate because they have unlimited credit at their disposal. But here's the secret: money is only created when it's loaned into existence as debt. That's why they need you. This opportunity is exponential. Creditors are constantly looking for ways to boost their profits, offering new credit products, and seeking new customers. This means, for you, there's virtually unlimited credit available. If you're someone with a low credit score, desperate for more and better credit, you know the struggle. But there's a way out. People who discover this program are cashing in, big time. And here's the kicker: there are hundreds of sources offering credit lines, ready and willing to invest in you. These sources can set you on a path to financial freedom, and the best part? They want you as their client. By learning the methods in this program, you'll have the power to not only secure credit for yourself but also help others do the same. Imagine being able to offer people the solutions they need for credit, auto loans, and even home loans, all while building a recurring income stream for yourself. You'll have access to over 400 sources and the knowledge, strategies, and techniques to build a successful business in the financial services sector. It's a niche market that's profitable, stable, and growing. If you want a substantial income without the grind of a 9-to-5, this is for you. And before you ask, yes, everything taught in this program is 100% legal and compliant. You'll learn methods that less than 1% of credit professionals, bankers, and even lawyers know about. You'll have powerful knowledge at your fingertips, putting you miles ahead of the competition. This program unlocks a whole new level of financial manipulation, legally. We show you how to influence AI algorithms that banks use to evaluate your creditworthiness. When you feed them the right information, they will give you what you want. You'll learn how to make these systems work in your favor, how to make the computer say yes when you apply for credit, loans, or anything you need. It doesn't matter what's held you back before, these secrets can turn your financial situation around. This information is revolutionary. It's knowledge that empowers you to succeed in any financial situation. No one else teaches this, and certainly not at this level. But act fast, because this program is exclusive, and the spots are limited. Don't let others get ahead of you. Arm yourself with the knowledge to become an overnight financial wizard and start earning today. To your success.